Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is MD Tanim Rahman. My ID number is 1923546. My course name is Information System Security. Course code is SE332 submitted to MD Maruf Hassan. Firstly, I give thanks to my honorable teacher to present me to give me this great opportunity to present me something. My topic is privacy preserving mixed net interaction. My first condition is introduction. So, what is it? We live during a global deployment of computer network and network devices. This technology has allowed for the creation of wide range of different network-based applications that enable collaborative behavior among users to share their personal interests such as their hobbies and profession. During the last few years, the research community has proposed different solutions to allow for mobile nodes to communicate with each other, even in extreme cases where no end-to-end connection is generated. This network diagram has been termed as opportunistic network which is called OPPNet. In this opportunistic social network, users carry mobile devices to communicate each other and share data as in traditional social network. Nevertheless, when it comes for privacy in WPNet, not glitter is gold. My second option is motivate related work. So what is mean by it? So we can share in OPNet or PNet, we can have unstable node with unpredictable movement producing a regular changing network topology. Hence, end-to-end routing path between source and destination node may be difficult to establish. The reliability of data transformation mm, and network traffic control, which are provided by traditional transport protocols such as TCP, are very insufficient in OPPNet. This also means that in order to provide privacy and anonymous communication service, traditional network mechanism cannot be directly applied. Server our proposal address anonymous communication in OPPNet, and most of them based some application of onion routing. For instance, AirDN propose an attribute-based encryption method to provide a strong anonymity graduated in based on a traditional onion routing architecture where node can act onion routers. RDN device nodes into several groups and each group shares the same key. Thus, node from the same group can forward message which can improve delivery probability. My third option is anonymous routing using a mixed network. So we can share our proposal is based on the using of a mixed net in OPPNet. The main idea is to be able to use reliability simple mixed net and schema without requiring complex cryptographic mechanism. So we can say this system is the cryptography mechanism. That this approach is not only feasible in OPP net scenarios but can also set basis interesting solution to anonymous communication in dynamic network. Several proposals address anonymous communication in OPPNet, and most of them based on some application of onion routing. For instance, ARDRN proposed an attribute-based encryption method provide a strong anonymity graduation. It also based traditional onion routing architecture where node can onion router. RDN divides node into server group and each group share the same key. Thus, node from same group can forward the message which can improve delivery probability. My fourth number option is evaluation. So what is the evaluation? So we know evaluate means in this stage all the developer check their system. If they found any fault or any lack or any a, any lackings, they develop it very well and provide the customer and for best service for that system. They are best service for that system. So we can see here in evaluation and in this section we evaluate our opportunity mixed-net proposal. We first introduce the scenarios and simulation the environment. So the developer first introduce the scenarios and simulation all over the system. The simulation the all environment of system and they take a decision to update their system. And in next line we can see here the nature of mixers which prevents the coloration of source and destination. Even attacker can monitor the whole network. So the privacy of our mix scam remains the same no matter range the attacker can access. So, so we can see that the system is very good and very safe because if any attacker, if any hacker try to hack this system, so our developer can access his IP address, his device's IP address and catch it as soon as possible. So it is the a best security system for this system. So we can here say many people or day world will be upgradable day by day. Also men will be upgradable day by day. They buy many kinds of electronic devices for their communication and sharing data. So I think this is the best system for their communication and sharing data. So my fifth and the last option is conclusion. So we can see here use of a mixed network to provide anonymous communication. Use of a mixed network to provide anonymous communication in OPPNet. Our approach is to really feed routing mixed net opportunistic and routing bin mixed node. We showed that introduce performing penalty by using such a system in common or PPNet SKUs trouble. Marketing interesting solution consider. So it is my perspective view. So I can say, or we can say, see the system is very safety for a a man for sharing data, sharing calls, sharing in many types of information. So it gives us too much security for us. It gives the best security for us. So it can be we can be use it properly. So it is the my perspective view. So thank you for everyone for having with me. Thank you for having with me, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.